Hey, I'm Sentinel. Full name? WD Sentinel DX4000, also known as the Backup Bulldog, the Remote Access Superstar, and the plug-and-play champion of the business world. I'm the small office storage server that protects your company data like a vault, yet you can access me from anywhere in the world. The IT guy loves that he can check on me from afar. Our people in the field love having instant, fully secure remote access while they're on the go. And our clients and partners can easily access and collaborate on their files from anywhere. So I'm easy to work with, but hard on anyone who isn't authorized for access. Inside your network, I'm fast, centralized storage that keeps everyone connected in a 24/7 web world. Unlike your copier over there, I work hard 365 days a year. I don't take holidays, no sick days, no dentist appointments, just continuous, reliable server storage for your entire business. With multiple levels of RAID available, you can rest easy knowing that I'm working tirelessly to protect your data. And just check out my specs. 4 drive bays for growing capacity on the server as your business grows, plenty of fault tolerance features like dual gig Ethernet and dual power, and all-inclusive data protection for up to 25 computers. And did I mention my compact, space-saving design? Some people even call me cute. Don't call me cute. Since I'm from Western Digital, you know I'll deliver superior reliability, speed, and performance. And with WD Guardian Services, you'll enjoy access to additional support from the industry leader when you need it most. So plug me in, set me up, and let's get your business secured, networked, and up to speed. Hey, I don't want to make anyone jealous, but you may just be looking at your next Employee of the Year.